broken boilers, collapsed ceilings. Entire buildings were labeled unlivable. In 2018, the federal government stepped in. An investigation revealed falsified inspections and unsafe conditions. Housing entered a consent decree and promised to change. But by then, the damage was deep. The estimated repair cost? Over $40 billion. Today, more than 400,000 people still live in housing developments, from Queensbridge in Queens to Edenwald in the Bronx, from Red Hook in Brooklyn to Wagner in Harlem. The city is trying new solutions. Programs like RAD and PACT are bringing in private companies to manage repairs, but not without controversy.